Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are making some cute Christmas decor. So I got a couple pieces just from the impulse section at Target. The big one that we're working with is this. It's just some wood, or I don't know, maybe like fake wood silhouette cutouts of houses. They're pretty thick. They're like maybe an inch, most of an inch thick anyway. And I thought they were really cute and just fun shapes. So we're gonna be using these and some bottle brush trees and wreaths that I found. These were like $1 each, so just really cheap, easy craft that we are going to be making a cute Christmas town candle holder, which I thought would be fun. For this, I would suggest probably an electric candle, like a little electric tea light if you've got it. Otherwise, probably like a regular candle would work. These are big enough that they will be far enough away from the flame that it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, that's everything you're gonna need, and let's just get going. So first off, let's unwrap the houses. They are separate good. I was a little worried they were connected. So they're these super cute little houses, and they'll stand on their own because they're nice and thick. Pull them all out. This is adorable. You could totally like stack these to make like a cute little relief, like a little city relief. Like that's super cute. I like that. I might be changing my mind. No, I'm gonna make the candle holder. I'm gonna just get rid of the trash. So we've got these and they're super cute, and basically what we want to do is kind of glue them into a square that your tea light will go inside of, if that makes sense. So two of them, they're all different heights and sizes, but two of them are very narrow and they're roughly the same size. And two of them are different sizes, but they're roughly the same width. So we're going to use that to make kind of like a little rectangle, if you will. Don't put these two sides together because you're just going to get this weird awkward shape. Like put these on the opposite sides, the thin ones on the opposite sides, and we're going to hot glue those together. Also, what I'm going to do is line up the corners like that so that it's a little bit more even as far as the width, but make sure that inside your square is enough room for a little candle to go. So we're going to start with that. Off to the side, I have my hot glue gun heating up. There we go. And I'm just gonna start right on this little short one here and just put a bead of hot glue down one side of it. Not gonna have too much pressure on this, so it doesn't need to be like super glued on there. Additionally, we're hoping not to have any heat near this, so not really worried about that aspect either, but I'm just going to make sure that the bottoms are flush and get a nice little right angle with my glue. And the narrow one is sitting inside the wider house. So that's important, and that's what we're doing. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other one while this dries up. So we're gonna take this house and just make sure, oh, they're double-sided, so it doesn't really matter what side you do it on. So we're just gonna put a nice long bead of hot glue, just straight down. It doesn't need to be double thickness or anything. Just like that. Also, if you are not using an electric candle with this, it's really important, especially if you're putting things this near the flame, to always monitor your candles. Never leave candles burning unattended. This is basic safety, but it's also something that happens every year, and house fires are a real thing, so please be careful. Now that we've got two right angles, we're going to glue them together like that and get ourselves a nice little square. We're going to attach two of them at once. So I've got my glue where I need it. Just like that, and just like that. All right, let's see if we can get it down. Did I work quickly enough? I think so. Not a perfect square because the houses aren't exactly the same width, as the two narrow buildings and the two wider buildings are not the same width. Like these are not the same width as this, but it's pretty good. And this is what we've got so far. It's a super cute, exactly how I was imagining it, city block. It's awesome, super adorable. So imagine a little candle in here and the light peeking out. It's gonna be great, but we're not done yet. We gotta decorate the houses. It's Christmas after all. So we're gonna pull out our little wreaths, and I don't need this string that comes on it. It's just a little bottle brush wreath. And I'm going to just add a little bit of glue to the back side, to the top here, bottom here. Not a whole lot of weight, so you don't need to go all the way around if you don't feel like it. And this guy is gonna go right up top. I'm holding this exactly the wrong way, of my White House. Look at that, super cute. Now that's a Christmas Village house. Super, super cute. Instantly transforms the look of it. Absolutely adorable. I love it. And put it on the other side. I don't need wreaths on every house, and also the set only came with 3 of them. So we're gonna use 2 of them, but I liked the way it held when I just did the top here and the bottom here, just 2 little dots. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold it appropriately this time, and we're gonna put it on the opposite side, just up at the top here. I think that's really cute. I think that's just like a really sweet, nice little touch. I love that all the houses are different colors too. That's just absolutely adorable. Next up, get your bottle brush trees. And these are 2 different colors. Some are like very kind of a Kelly green, and some are very like, I don't know, grass green. I'm just gonna unsmush them a little bit. There we go. And these, I'm going to attach the corners of the house. So I'm gonna pick one, I'm gonna fluff it a little bit. There we go. Doesn't really matter, you're not gonna see it, but it bothers me. Put a lot of glue just on the edge right there, and pick a corner where the houses join, stick it in. Lots of glue, that's the secret. You can run it up the back of the tree if you want, but like not all of it touches there, and I want it to float a little bit so it looks a little bit more like a real tree. There we go. Make sure you fluff the branches a little bit. That looks great. Take the glue off the bottom. That looks adorable. That looks super cute. So since this one is green or pale green, the opposite side, I'm gonna do pale green. That way when you're looking at it, it's not the same. It's gonna be a different tree on each side. So I'm gonna fluff this one up before I put it on. Here we go. Fluff this side too. And I think I like this for the front. So we're gonna go on the back. Just a ton of hot glue just on the base of the little wooden part that the tree screws into. Grab the opposite corner and just stick it right in. That's all you gotta do. This one is not sticking super well. All right, in that case, go up, smush in, and pull down, and that's gonna pull the bristles of the tree upwards, and then it'll help it fit. So that's drying. I'll explain what I mean. If your tree won't go into the corner, you can go up a little bit and pull down, and it's gonna force the bristles up. It's gonna give you a smoother, tighter connection to the house. But so far, that is looking adorable. I can't wait for this to be finished. It's so cute, so cute. Do this. Just attach that one like that. I'm saying it. It came together quick. It's good craft. No issues, and it really is adorable. Like, this is so cute. This is probably one of my favorite Christmas crafts I've ever made. I don't know why, I just like saw it in the store and I was like, that could be a candle holder. Like, which makes no sense if you look at it. But there we go. That is cute. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm very impressed with myself. Super cute. So I'm gonna put this down, get a candle inside, and do some close-ups, but that's it. That took what, maybe 10 minutes for little cityscape Christmas village candle holder. So cute. So this is how it turned out. It's seriously the cutest little thing ever. It's just like, I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait to use it. I don't even need a candle in it to like think it's adorable. Honestly, it's so cute. But we do have a candle. We've got this little tea light that I've actually been using, but this is a little metal, just kind of tea holder that I have, you know, safety first and all that. So we're gonna light it up. There we go, and fits perfectly. So the lights are on, obviously, but you can kind of imagine what it would look like if they weren't. And you just had that lovely glow going through it. Again, since this is hot glue, I definitely wouldn't suggest leaving this unattended, and I actually wouldn't even suggest using a real candle, even though I'm using one right now. I would suggest using one of those electric flickering lights, because then you can just like have it on your shelf and it'll be super cute. But I lost mine. I had 3 of them. I don't know where they are. So you're getting a real one for the sake of the video. But yeah, is that not just like the cutest little thing ever? I'm super obsessed with it. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.